Welcome back, guys, to Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about Injective, what's going on, how high we can move next, and what my indicator shows. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, like you remember, my main idea about Injective was wrong, so I'm waiting this correction. So we'll leave one monthly gap. Second one, I market the fixed profit zone and congrats everybody who took a profit here, because it's more than okay. Took a profit at 1,300% gains. So at least at this zone at 0.5 and 61 level by VIP, you could withdraw initial deposit, and now you can ride with the free coins. It's okay to build a strategy, because a lot of people don't have any single strategy for any single coin, and they miss the money even in a bull run. Because a lot of people buying here, for example, then didn't take a profit here, didn't take a profit here, and start take a profit here, then buying back, then sell it, and wait until the drop. Then they start accumulate again. So this is how it works, and this how the 27 zone playing out every single time. In 90 cases, if we drop to 27 zone, based it on my analysis, it's just my experience. When we drop to 27 zone, it's more than okay for accumulation. Injective in this bull run, probably the main leader. It's the same like Sol in the previous cycle. So every single cycle we gotta sum the major performance. So now Injective from 27 zone here, from the lowest point, for example, December, already made 2,500% gains. It's not at the top for Injective, for sure, because the next step, based on this FIB is pretty legit. So here, 1.61, 37, 34. Next one is 56.85. So we walk from level to level. So yes, it's really remind me the Sol previous cycle, So here was the fixed zone. If we go back to weekly time frame, you can find out here 27 zone, bounce, retest, zero level, and trust me, a lot of altcoins probably will do the same. Some of them will stock at 0.561 level by FIB, what I showed in the altcoins playlist. In altcoin playlist now over than 200 videos. So just take a look on this chart, and some coins will perform pretty the same way, going out of 27 zone, retest zero level, and then walk from level to level, 23, 38, 0.5. And this area, 0.5, 61, it's more than okay to take some profit, because you can't know what will happen next. But anyway, you already will be in profit, or at least you withdraw initial deposit and ride with free coins without zero risk. My idea was, so from this level, I'm expect the drop to sweep this low and test the first monthly gap. This idea is invalidated. So what's wrong? And it's more than okay to be wrong. You can't be right all the time. We are here not to be all the time right. We're here to work with the risk management and a safe initial deposit and the meta gains. Here, one more example. Not every single, even the monthly gaps, will be have to be traded on corrections. No, any single altcoin can do this parabolic move, perform pretty well, and maybe in the next bear market, we come back and close these gaps. But you remember, on a Bitcoin, we got a gaps even still at 1,000 for Bitcoin, monthly gaps, and we still didn't close that. That's why all this myth about we have to close every single gaps, it's just a narrative. We leave it here. We leave it gap, also monthly one here. This one, the huge one. Correct? Correct. But it doesn't mean we have to drop now in January, for example. Because like we can see, if we trade the trend, this monthly gap basically done. So we can form even the January to this area. And then maybe we'll see correction to a first level. From first level, we can move to 2.61 And it's hard to say about the timing. What we can't know, it's a timing. So now, no zones for the top, only this one. It's like a trigger because we broke the all-time high, and it's a free ride. Nobody know where the whales will stop this coin. Like a support, we got this monthly gap, this one. So I don't see any reason to jump into Injective because of risk reward. Even if we go to 50, for example, 56, it's going to be only 80% profit. Just take a look. Even if we go to 3.61 to $76, it's going to be only 141% profit. Is it what are you looking for in a bull run? Even if it's 88, it's less than 200% profit. So congrats everybody who join in this ride in the right moment. I'm skip Injective. So it's okay because we can't invest in every single coin. So I'm more than okay. I'm really happy for the people because we have to respect each other, and I'm really happy for the people who buy in here in 27 zone, who buy in here on correction. Congrats everybody. So now the support is this block. It's 38.23. The top is here. It's like a first magnet for rejection. Let's take a look in the indicators. Here on monthly time frame, we are in distribution on ADZ on a monthly time frame here, and we almost at the top on direction. If we take a look on a weekly here, no divergences. That's why, yes, we can move higher and form divergence. Finally, look how the indicator works. Here was accumulation on ADZ on a weekly. Weekly time frame we always use for accumulation. Here, June 2022 was accumulation, 27 zone. Then confirmation accumulation one more time on direction. Here, the whales buying the signals, clear signal. And now the whales step by step fix their profit, step by step. And we can form the divergence, something like this one on a weekly, 3 waves like this one, and it can be even the 3 waves up even to this area, for example. It's hard to say the timing, but now step by step the whales start fix profit, and it's more than okay to fix profit because a lot of people made a mistake. They trying to catch exact bottom and they trying to catch exact top, but always just follow your strategy. I just share my idea. Here's the market mode. Take a look on this zone on the weekly time frame, how this coin performed in the May 2021. So last time, here Injective from the bottom, here October 2020, made 13, almost 14,000% gains. Here, if we compare with this cycle, so for example, this is the bottom, this is 2,500, this will be 5,000, around 4,500, and $76. It's going to be 6,000% gains, and we now in the crazy hype zone. It's kind of weird. Monster time frame, the same story. So this is how it looks. That's why now it's at this current moment. Now it's only about your risk management. I don't see any reason to jump in now into coin, which already performed almost 3,000% gains when we have a lot of other coins. But of course, it's only up to you. Here, take a look on Money Power. Money Power zone was for accumulation. Whales accumulate, distribute a little bit, distribute. So now it's not a zone where the whales buying, Now that they push the price so high, and I market this zone here. And if we take a look on 2 last indicators, straight on take profit. On the weekly time frame, we go way over exit line. So basically, it works like this one. We can go even like this move, and then, for example, go back to test the buy line. Sooner or later, anyway, believe it or not, we will come back and test the buy line. It's just a matter of time on a weekly time frame. Here's a take profit and trade on. Here was a signal to sell. Close position was from sell. this one, 2 signals to buy in a row. Then take profit, withdraw initial deposit from here, for example. Here, after 300% gains, that even only this indicator, show you the sign, so you can fix profit 300% profit. Then we got signal to sell, correction. Now, like you can see, no new signal to sell or so. So just waiting. So guys, all zones I showed you. Just think about, is it okay to buy the coin after 3,000% gains, to get, I don't know, maybe 50% gains or even 200% gains? It's kind of risky, personally for me, because we still have a lot of altcoins underrated, underwater. So congrats everybody who right and made a wise decision to buy the Injective. Congrats everybody. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you would like to trade with my custom indicator set what I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.